Just a project, rubber project, anything belong all power. All this stuff are heavy. You know, got road, you know, got road will buy money, or road infrastructure. Now just plan, and you come up in big plan heavy along all. Also now, suppose all this stuff now working government, when them time, but there's a service to come. So only boom, only talk, now we talk. Give me, unlocking, some ground below you me, equal development. And what's the area of Blongol? Now you look at me come up, 36,000 hectares. All, you look developing 8,000, that's all. 8,000, outland just 36,000 hectares. 8,000, that's all. 36 by staff, we're behind time. Now, population growth below power. Lo tumuna, also seen down inside on just 36,000 hectares. Long legally plus long. Time civilization you come up. You bring him all come down low coast. Because all kiat, all machinery, no na point of bus, so it must come down low coast. Now time will come down low coast. All family low coast, the halbi mall, low legally ground, long only can cake along in. Low before you make a sack, walking garden, and so on. Now life will change. Now walk low money will come up strong. The time walk low money come up strong. The straight in sit down long all. You know got more ground. All two stuff how much year. The time all kiat na machinery come. It come not now. Population will grow. The time population grow. You click scale family give him long all on amis. It finishes. So you must go back long ground to Munab long. How about you go back? Also, now we must initiate the kind project where any agriculture project, when by bringing road, now development you go inside the bush so you can go back and sit down lock land belong. So one or clan you can go sit down lock land ground belong. Poverty, power. Establish area where road you know got road long. Both us all let me access. 50 kina come na 50 kina go back. So I'm like back boy and then a bank I lost store. Because that's all the transport. I'm gonna twist start because so population will grow. Legally cap scale ground and stuff sinan lang yan. It finish. Also na I'm gonna twist start. Road. Power yet, road you know yet la power. I come start over na iron no kawa, iron no backside. Listen, past time we talk. Tama looking more something he had long all he talk, you will not watch more government. You must not be me yet. So just plan. All piggy power of place. Only talk, all roots for place. All yet to come up in thinking, na mi along. I'll be more, la working planning, na one and belong. Asana mi bla come up long. That's the power agriculture integrated project or development. And what has thinking? Number one, establishing all-weather road in Lincoln, over the land, equal a provincial road network. Number two, is certainly more clan members, equal back on top of customary land belong. Time road you see, only go back, long ground belong, to Muna belong. Now, housing poverty, na hunger. Tabi mo ko sinalong ground belongan, and we got freedom to walking on every life belongan. Now last belongan, establishing reliable processing and marketing facility. So time we talk about agriculture, and that's important. So sino got good market, na processing facility, that's agriculture, ino got use plan. Or crops ino ko planin, ino got market belongen long go out. Last time we talk here, our land and 36,000 hectares. Now break up belongen. Break up belongen that's 8,000. Now we play developing. And we stop long. PowerPoint here. 400 now 20 hectares and clan village now food garden. 16 clan only stop inside on this project. 16 one long on this clan and by down in bush the 30 hectares below village now food garden and one clan 30 hectares from village now food garden. Rubber development 6,300 hectares by rubber development. Inside of the rubber development, it got two kind rubber development. One and estate. Estate and it belong Power Landowner Company. Time it come up in that project, it come up into one landowner company. Power Agriculture Limited. Now Power Agriculture Limited, and we got 1,500 hectares rubber estate or plantation. Power by renting or leasing ground belong to clan. So 3 clan, only all right, don't give him 500 hectares. One, you go on this landowner company. Now landowner company, man by sub leasing. Now put in that rubber estate. I was thinking, come up in rubber estate, problem also. Just rubber estate. Any labor or workman by work full-time labor. He was in plantation. So time workman, he work full-time again. One by got continuous production, running factory all of the week. He will not depend on smallholder, only on-off. And we like tap and we tap. We like malalo, so when you got production or running factory. Also now, you must have estate, making the production and the function, or you work long. They will weak enough. Long come up in Kim rubber, bam rubber long farmer. Smallholder rubber. And one clan by planning 300 hectares. Long ground long. You could plan any person. Just for 300 hectares. Every single person will power in mass only in 2 hectares. Lo working money belonging. Me give an example. Me 2 hectares belong me. Mary belong me 2 hectares. One piggy 2 hectares, 2 hectares. Suppose me plus 5 10 hectares belong black amount. Okay, you give me black American also. So me belong that must work money. Piggy no can depend on papa mama. Piggy must work money belong. One block too. Holy man back lo place. He got money style lo place. No can come round the town. So give him a proper block. But give him busy. Asana, just plus 300 hectares. Through big plan. That's what any long-term plan. Power style of place from by Gisim. Suppose Rabbi left on 300 hectares. Embla power istablo Mosby, istablo Lay, istablo Median 1.5. Lo Navla province, time only come back. People planning Rabbi block police. Only come na Gisim na work money. All na put him more fortnight now. Only come back when he bluffed in finish. So I make him training and not tapping, giving them tools, and me work like next month, and me salim rapana. Just for money and me lose him. Lo Mosby, and you can finger no place. Long-term plan. One time rubber, you got cacao too. 30 hectares one clan. Cacao. Pohowa area of La Pohowa in a flat area and in mountainous. Terrain belongan, ikut belas masuk nan belas crop. So, ni belas jin kakao, na, ni belas jumlah livestock tu istapanten. Suppose ground ni nas video belas kakao, pokok luakin ada something kan, livestock and sip. Ini terang rausin belas lep na, lep chop na, suaya iko, timu wakim berjumlah dia. Ini ada dah. Now, when I'm in love, 680 hectares, Amla Road, Central Fermentary, Processing Site, Lanona Company, one more infrastructure, and by call industry. Now, in the color projection, ini cuma hanya kalau kami ini kelangan dong. Lo year one, we will starting year 1 of 2020. Just for 1,500 hectares of land owner company and by Copas. So the factory Kamaria. Factory Kamaria and just land owner company estate. They are no small all that time. If you work on Blongona, manus too. So factory must come pass. Factory by come year 3 or year 4. We start so long, get census, we go along, check in rubber. So, year 2, 900 hectares, year 3, 1,200 hectares, year 4, 1,200 hectares, now year 5, 1,500 hectares. 5 la year, just a planting program. Problem by coming to production, just la first 1,500, long year 4. Number come up in 1,780 kilogram. Oh, sorry, ton. Current price, average price, low world market, 1,500 kina per ton. So, Tesla, year 1, I'm generating 2.67 million. The one Tesla year. The number 2 year, I'm back up in 2,798 ton. I'm generating 4.198 million. The one player, and just player. Number 3 year belong production. I'm back up in 5,035 ton. I'm come up in 7.55 million. Kina. Kalau number 7 year, just number 4 year, just production. Ina bilang kemarin 6,891 ton. Nah, just plan na belum bring in 10 million or 10.3 million. Number 5 year, ina kemarin 10,000 ton. Nah, ina bilang kemarin 15 million, 15.1 million. Number 6 year belum production. I mean, I've long come up in 11,000 ton. Now just plan I've long given 16.9 million. Number 7 year, I mean, I've long come up in 12,800 ton. Now just plan I've long given 19.2 million. Long year 8, long production. I mean, I've long come up in 13,500 ton. Nine I've long come up in 20.27 million. Number 8 year long production. And rubber now by coincide long. All the left like 5 a year. By coincide long full production long. Rubber year 1, now year 2, and we start giving that all 50% of production. Year 3, 75, year 5, 3 now 4, 75, now year 5, and we start long going start full production. So, we start long year 13, I go, and install food production, in 15,000 tons, now just generating 22 million, 22.6 million. Two players behind on just I go. Rabatu will grow. Rabbi will grow, time you grow. Tapi kena, apabila setiap ini kopi pelali gini, natami kopi pelali gini, pelali bulut dengan ni ron. Asana production by increase, production increase, ona mau long grow. So long. Lo number 10 year, anda kena 24 million. Na lo number 11 year, anda kena 24 million. So just projection, lo financial side bilangan, where tu by kamla manus, money wala kamla manus. So we don't have ready din, time limit wala kam. So we start there way forward than just plus. By factory. Tubular factory ni bla look longan. Rubber factory, but tubular type, suppose road system really me alright. Like a latex factory, na Kaplan factory. Latex factory, every day. You tap, you wara yet, karikam, pulma bingola tang ego. Kaplan, larim, emblong abi nun tapping, by color kap it dry, by salim long, and moon. So tubular and factory, by me look long, similar manus. Baik belum kakao tu, ni pula luk belum just pula, jadi hektar kakao. Kami pula ko downstream ni belum powder, na vacuum seal na export. Export in dry bin enough, ini ko down ni edin value ko lang. Just pula, ni pula forward to Iria, thank you, ulo.